What's good, YouTube? My boy Shaun, and we're back with another video. Ow! Wet. So today, you guys, this is going to be the braid out of my box braids. What's crazy about this video right here is that I recorded this video the same day I made my last two videos, and I put those right here. Go check those out. I got one of them showing some different hairstyles you can rock with your box braids, and the other one is showing washing my box braids because oh shoot. Okay, the other one was showing washing my box braids because they were pretty dirty and I didn't like all that stuff built up in my scalp. I didn't like that, so I had to wash it. So make sure you guys go check those out. Put the cards for those so you can go watch those, and they'll also be at the end of the video. So stick around to the end of the video to, you know, check out those videos. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking these things out today. I got them pulled up right now. Why? Don't really know. I just kind of got them pulled up, and yeah. And I need a haircut really bad. I look like a bum, and it's pretty sad. But you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But I know you guys don't want to see me taking all these out because it's kind of a lot. It's kind of a lot. So we're gonna do some transitioning. I will show you guys a couple of them. You know, just for the people who are wondering. But yeah. Oh, and also my first box braid video, I also put that little video of that up there. That has over 100,000 views now, which is insane. Clap it up for you guys because it wouldn't be possible without you guys, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, we're gonna do a little transitioning. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I got that instant transmission. You know how we do, DBZ Nation. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be literally right back, and I'll do like the first half of my head. So let's get it. Alright, you guys, I am back, and when I tell you that was the longest time ever just to take this front half out. Like, oh my god, my neck hurt, my hands hurt. This is terrible. Taking box braids out is a struggle, and it's terrible. It sucks. But I did want to show you guys me having the whole front done, and what I decided to do was I decided to take it out and then twist it right up so that it can try to come out really curly. And I might make a video of me taking these twists out. If you guys want to see that, drop a like on this video, or let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see that video of me taking these twists out. So but yeah, about halfway done. Still got the back to go. It's kind of a lot. This video might drag into the next day, honestly, because it's already like 12:30ish, and you know your boy got class in the morning. So yeah, you might have to catch me tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to go ahead and finish up, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. So I'll be right back. Whew, so I am back, you guys. It is the next day. Like I said, I was up till like 3 in the morning, literally trying to get my whole head done, and it just took forever. Like, it was a long process, but you guys can see I am done. My hair is all twisted up, and these junks is nice and juicy. Like, they're thick, and they feel good, they smell good, like all that good stuff. Like, I'm really happy how these came out. And yeah, but that is going to be it for this video. If you did enjoy, hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see the video of me taking these twists out, hit that like button, comment down below if you want to see that. And yeah, I think that is it. It's Boy Shaun, and we out.